To change Google Entertainment notification sound in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then the settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google Services. Scroll down screen, and then tap settings for Google Apps. Tap search assistant and voice. Select notifications, and then tap notification scan. Tap entertainment, and then select sound, and then you can select sound you want to use in Google Entertainment notification, or if you want to set a silent, tap silent or use default sound, and then tap back button to save. Now Google Entertainment notification sound set as calm. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.